Hello viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Data room definition: use of virtual data room in M&A. Farm room is the leading innovation M&A virtual data room in the industry. The platform is the top-rated VDR trusted by thousands of companies due to its value, speed, ease of use, and security. What is a data room? The meaning of a data room is a secure cloud-based storage center that acts as a repository for sensitive document. Data rooms allow users to share business information with client, investor, and company leadership in a controlled environment. Virtual data rooms improve collaboration and allow secure contribution with easy remote access to data and data sharing on a real-time basis. Difference between physical and virtual data rooms. A physical data room is a physical location to store important documents that are required during a merger and acquisition. This is a secured, monitored central location with restricted access. Documents are stored on paper, and user access is sequential, resulting in a more drawn out process. Physical data room versus virtual data room. A virtual data room exists digitally via the internet or a standalone application with data stored in an electronic format on a central server, allow it for simulation access. Pros of using virtual data rooms over physical data rooms. On demand access. Document or information can be viewed anytime from any location without physically traveling to the site. Security. The encryption and heightened security feature of VDR ensure that confidential data is secure. Restricted access. Access can be granted to certain users on a document by document basis, with more specifically than allowed by a physical data room. Cost efficiency. Travel cost. Access can be granted to certain users on a document by document basis, with more specifically than allowed by a physical data room. Cost efficiency. Travel cost, printing cost, and other costs needed to maintain and allow access to paper document are reduced with the use of a virtual data room. Scalability. In a physical data room, there is a set limitation on the amount of documentation that can be stored due to physical space. In a virtual data room, unlimited data can be shared. In the 21st century, with the majority of documentation, business deal, and correspondence existing electronically, physical storage of documentation has become also almost obsolete. Physical data rooms are more time consuming and cost ineffective and are not equipped to handle transactions in the large amount that take place today. Where are data rooms used? At farm rooms. Here are some topical examples of use case for virtual data rooms. Pipeline document management. Virtual data room can be used to organize the file needed for each stage of the deal pipeline to provide fast and effective access to the most up-to-date data available. VDR help ensure uninterrupted distribution of information and eliminate any potential loss of information. Data room can be used to access in folder preparation, managing user access, uploading updated document, exchanging information, sharing note for prospects, compiling source of information, and controlling data distribution. Due diligence. Due diligence with the use of a data room in due diligence, it is possible to synchronize all processes involved with due diligence, including diligence, request, communication, and document management in one place. This eliminated any issue around sharing confidential information. Many data rooms, like farm rooms, have pre-made due diligence folder structure template built into the M&A data room structure that outline all of the information required. Teams can upload the template and the room will be structured accordingly. Conducting audit. Virtual data room can make the process of being audited a bit less painful. All company policies, procedures, account, and other documentation can be shared with external auditor on a view-only basis through a data room with specific permissions. Raising capital. Virtual data rooms are based during fundraising to facilities sharing of company information with stakeholder and prospects. IPO. Virtual data rooms allow for management of the IPO documentation process while sharing company information securely with shareholder, underwriter, and all third parties involved. Data room by use case. VDR are utilized in variation in industries, but there are some of the major use cases.